Today, I'll show you how to set up Databricks on Azure. Whether you're a data scientist, engineer, or just someone looking to harness the power of big data analytics, getting started with Databricks on Azure can revolutionize the way you handle data. So, let's dive right in and walk through the setup process step by step. First, navigate to the Azure portal, which is your starting point for managing and deploying Azure services. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top global search bar. This is where you can quickly find the services you need. Type Azure Databricks into the search bar. As you type, a list of drop-down results will appear. Click on Azure Databricks from this list. This will take you to the Azure Databricks service page. On this page, look for the +Create button. It might sometimes be labeled as Create Azure Databricks Workspace, depending on your interface. This button is usually located on the primary toolbar, and it's your gateway to starting a new Databricks workspace. Click this button to begin the creation process. Now, you'll find yourself in the configuration area. Here, you'll first need to configure the Basics tab. This section is crucial as it includes the core settings for your Databricks workspace. You'll have to enter some essential details like subscription, resource group, and workspace name. The subscription is often pre-selected, but you can change it if you have multiple. For the resource group, you can either select an existing one or create a new one. Remember, the workspace name must be unique within your subscription, so choose a name that clearly represents the workspace's purpose or project. Once you've filled out the Basics tab with all the necessary information, it's time to review your setup. Double-check everything to ensure there are no errors or typos. This step might seem trivial, but it can save a lot of time and hassle later on. After verifying your information, click on the Review + Create button. Azure will now perform a validation check on your configuration. If everything is good to go, you'll see a Validation Passed message. This indicates that your settings are correct and your workspace is ready to be deployed. Finally, it's time to deploy your Databricks workspace. Click the Create button to initiate the deployment process. Azure will now begin setting up your workspace, which may take a few minutes. During this time, you can monitor the deployment progress through notifications in the portal. Once the deployment is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. Your Databricks workspace is now up and running, and you can start using it for your data processing needs. Setting up Databricks on Azure is a foundational step for any data project. By following these steps, you ensure that you have a robust environment ready to handle complex data analytics tasks. Whether you're analyzing massive data sets or building machine learning models, Azure Databricks provides the tools and flexibility you need. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident in setting up your own Databricks workspace on Azure. Until next time, happy data analyzing.